Find out why you're paying more this summer at stickershocksummer.org.
All right, boys. Hello. How's it going? Today's Thursday, August 6th, 2026. It's going to be one of those days. It's already been one of those days. The dog is going to drive me nuts because it was thunderstorming here. You have to understand that it was thunderstorming, and when it storms, he freaks out, right? Like there's just like all logic that is already like whatever logic exists in his pea-sized brain just escapes. It leaves. It goes away. And so I think he probably has to pee, and I tried to take him downstairs, and he fought me, and then I took him by the door, and as soon as I put him down to go outside, he ran back upstairs. So now the storm has passed, and he's been giving me that look that he likes to give me, like, I want to go pee. And I'm like, no. So how's everybody doing? It's Thursday. That means tomorrow's Friday. That means the weekend is basically here. It's basically the weekend. You know my stance. If you've watched if you've watched my stream for any amount of time, you know that the pre-ken began today at lunchtime. So we've got the pre-ken. We've got, and we have to do. What we're going to do is we're going to do the daily blood pressure check live at the beginning of the show. I think I need to make this part of the show is what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and check the blood pressure, and then we'll get started. Okay. It's going to be quiet for a minute. So, let me sit up. Let me grab this here. All right. We got that. Oh, stars and garters. Okay. And, let's go ahead and put that there. Here we go. Oh, wait, is it working? Okay. Go. And go. There we go. It's underway. Blood pressure check is underway. All right, I'm checking it. Just calm down. It's all right. It's underway. It's underway. And, okay, it is high. I'm going to write this down. It is 144/89. It is still very high. I have been taking my blood pressure medication, but that's all right. I have noted down today's blood pressure check. And the blood pressure, I need a sponsor for the blood pressure check. Like maybe like I could get like a blood pressure machine, and that could be my sponsor. But what's definitely not going to help my blood pressure is that my wife is picking up a Lido pizza on the way home. So that's definitely not going to help my blood pressure at all. All right, let me just check. So I sent the link out to a few people. And you might have noticed that I have that my Google Chrome looks a little bit different. That's because I have been using for the past week or so, I've been using the vertical tab. The vertical tabs, which I like a lot more. You can fit a lot of, there's a lot more real estate open up essentially. So let's go ahead and play a game of chess while we see if anybody comes into the chat room. After the game of chess, we'll figure out what we're going to do. Maybe we'll actually start that game that we haven't started yet. All right, play online. And then let's go ahead. We're going to do a 10-minute. We're going to do a 10-minute with no extra time. And let me make sure everything is centered for the mobile users or for the mobile chatters. Okay, there we go. They opened with the queen. Okay, this is very aggressive. Is he gonna Come out here. Okay, no, not so much. I feel like okay, he's playing very fast. I feel like the music is loud. I feel like it's unusually loud. I don't know why. Okay, what's he gonna do? Okay, he wants to do this. Why don't I was gonna move my queen here, but that's not a good idea. Okay, like if he takes yeah, let's just go ahead and go here. Let's just continue with development. I think that's probably the best bet. I'm going to force him away in a second. I want to see what happens here. I might take, then he takes, and then I come up. Okay. Oh, boy. Okay. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, he's going to take. Odd. If I go here, yeah, this is all very strange. This feels strange. I mean, he's winning by a pawn, but I feel like I'm winning in general. Okay. I could just put my knight up here, and then if I put my knight there on E4, it's going to go here. Oh, shit. I can't do that. He can take. Yeah, I might resign if he takes. Yeah, because now he's going to get that. I'm just resigning. That was a dumb mistake on my part. All right, well that's it. That's it for chess. Okay, I mean we tried, and really, I mean we tried. Yeah, you can see I had one mistake there. We had one mistake, so that stinks. Okay, let's go ahead and let's It's raining again. It's been raining on and off all day. It's been a rainy day. Okay, so we come over here. All right, it's been so long since I've like started a new game. So I know I have to add a terrain. I'm not even sure how to do that. Right, like if I can go to like terrain, isn't there like terrain somewhere? Create a 3D object. Terrain, perfect. Okay, a URP terrain, excellent. Terrain, excellent. Sweet. So, what is the game? I don't even know what the game is. It's like a little puzzle game, right? Oh my god, how big? Okay, it's not. I mean, I thought this game was like huge. It was like, oh god, it's terrible. Okay, it's not. Wow, it's really rainy. Let's see what's happening. This old helmet says hello. I love that name, actually. That's a pretty cool name. This old helmet. I dig that name quite a bit. This old helmet. Who texted me? Somebody texted me like an actual text message. We're both subscribed to your OnlyFans. Yeah, they are. Yeah, David mentioned that he and Justin are both subscribed to my OnlyFans, which I believe it. Especially David. That boy loves me. That boy loves me. Okay, let's see. Come over here. Why is there a hump? Okay. All right. Oh, is he's standing? I thought we had crouching. Didn't we add crouching? I thought we added crouching. Wait, what is happening? Oh. I'm like sitting here like, what is happening? And I forgot that it's the day-night cycle. And then we have like we have saving and like there's just so much stuff to do. Like that's part of my like, maybe I'll just start another game. I don't even know. I don't even know what I want to do. Like I just, just like things in general are just, it's just like my motivation for just about everything is just like flat. It's not dead. It's just flat. And I mean, I know what it is, right? And like anybody who like listens to this stream, you know what it is too, but it's just like my motivation for everything is just completely flat. Let me see something. I want to look at something. I want to see about another. There was another game. Let me see. Unity Hub. Let's see. This is probably copyright music, by the way, so I'm going to change it. And we're gonna just put this on. Okay, projects. Project not found. Removed from project list. I thought maybe did I clean up some did I clean up these games? Let me see. I want to look over here. I don't know. I like in general, just like everything is just it's all meh. Okay, so I do have some projects here. Like I do have like some kind, like Strawberry Lake, window 4. Oh, that's the documentation. Let's load up. Let's see if we can get a Strawberry Lake. So what do we do? Add project from disk. Do I just do this? Okay, so I'd have to upgrade it. Can I? No, I don't want to install. I want to install other editor. I don't want to install an old version. I want to upgrade the... Can I not upgrade? Oh, my stars and garters. I don't even want to... like, there's just nothing I want to do, man. Like, if I'm being honest with myself, there's nothing I want to do. I mean, and I don't want to sound dark, right? Like, it's not like I'm like thinking of any kind of like, oh, well, what's Addy really saying? No, there's nothing like that. It's just, it's just like sometimes like you get in like, sometimes your motivation is just kind of just flat. Like my motivation's been flat for, I guess it was a week ago today that I got home. And it's just since then, it's just, well, actually even before that, like it's just like when everything kind of went down with what I talked about yesterday, it's just been, my motivation in general has just been like, which of course coincides perfectly with work where everything is completely ramping up and getting insane at a breakneck speed. And I'm just like, oh my God, I can't. It's just, and I've been running again. Like I don't even know how much of a run I did this morning. Let me look, because it was a great run. It was amazing. Let me look at this. It was 3.76 miles. Granted, they are not fast miles, right? They're not fast. Like, I don't claim to be a fast runner. And then I walked a bit. Like, I mean, I walked, I think, 2 or 3 times. Excuse me. So this was 3.76 miles in 58 minutes, which is, it's about a 15-minute mile, which is basically just a brisk walk, really. But I don't care. Like, you guys can laugh at me all you want. How many miles did you run today, huh? How many steps have I done today in general? So today I have done 8,778. Wait, I think that was the walk. I don't think that was actually how many. No, I did 8,778 steps. So I've been trying to lift on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, and then run on Tuesdays and Thursdays, because it's like at least the physical stuff, like the exercising, at least that I can like do, right? But like, man, it's just, everything is just, I don't know. I don't know. Why don't we fool around with this project just to like have something to do? Let me see. Did I even get this to build on Windows? I mean, on this Windows box? Okay, wait. Build. Wait. This is Windows. Let me go to Linux. All my Linux. No, not Alma. I want to go to Ubuntu. Yeah, it's just everything's just a little blah. Blah. Okay. Wait a minute. Look at this. Look how the background, the color on this. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, so we got to go to the mount folder. Mount. We got to go to S. We got to go to source. We have to go to this. And then we're going to do find from here. And then I just want to look for a .exe file. Okay, we've got a lot, apparently. Oh, that's because I tried fooling around with VC package. Yeah, you see that these are all under VC package. I don't know anything about VC package. I find it actually kind of weird. Okay, let's see if we can just get this to CMake. It's been a long time since I've done anything with CMake. So that's kind of why I want to do this, to be like, it's been a long time since I've used my C++ skills. So I want to be like, well, do I even still have those skills? I don't know. What skills do I even have? I mean, I've got lots of skills. I don't know what I'm talking about. But it's just, here we go. Here we go. Okay, CMake. So I'm trying to remember how to do this. It's been a minute. Let's go to the Windows build folder. Okay. So that with Conan. Read me. Okay, so maybe we can look at the CI/CD pipeline. Wow, there's nothing for Conan? Here we go. Oh, the Conan is built into the CMake. That's right. So what I need to do, I think I can just do this directly through CMake. It has been a minute. I'm just going to do this, and then it'll tell me what generators it has. Okay. I think I'm going to use this one here. All right. Yeah, that's what I guess the star is there. Okay. Okay. Okay, I know what's wrong. I need to go to the VC, this one. Or this one. Maybe I want this one. Yeah, this one. Okay. I know that I got this working on Mac, but it's kind of like, who cares, kind of. Oh, wait. No. So CMake ... and I think for now, I'm just going to leave the build type alone. And then this is what I want. Let me see what this does. Let's see what happens if we do this. It found the compiler. That's something. Okay, but we did get an error. What do we got? Okay, so we don't have boost. It's not finding boost. Okay. Which doesn't surprise me. But Conan should work. Okay, wait a minute. I'm really dusting off, really just kind of really dusting off some dust here, just dusting off some dust. Yeah. No. Hey, Addy. Hey, Addy, please, let's play chess. Okay, let's play chess. Let's do it, Tom. Let's do it. I don't know who you are, but you've talked me into it. Because again, like I have no motivation. Like I'm so susceptible to anything. Henna's mad at me. Like, you know, she's mad at me because I'm just like, you know what? I know I probably am. I know I shouldn't do this thing, but I'm going to do this thing. And she's like that. She's like, you really shouldn't do that thing. And I'm like, I'm going to do that thing. And she's like, you really shouldn't do that thing. I'm like, I'm doing the thing. And then so I don't think she's exactly mad at me as much as disappointed is probably the word. But I'm also like, well, nothing's even happened. Like, I haven't even done the thing. Like, you're getting mad at me for doing the thing before I even do the thing. And she's just like, well, I know. And then, like, I know she's mad when she starts writing to me in Finnish. And then I'm like, okay, now I have to, like, get the translator out and use a translator to convert from Finnish to English so I can understand it. Okay, there's a trap here. If I do this, let me make sure this trap works. I can do this. No, stop. I can do this. He'll come over here. Then I can do this. And win a piece, I think. Or win a pawn, actually. I think you get a pawn is what happens. If that's assuming he falls for it. Okay. And now I can do this. Maybe that was okay, because he's up an entire fucking piece. So this was the worst trap in the world. Okay, this was like a terrible trap. Oh, my stars and garters. I'm resigning. No, I'm not going to resign. I'm resigning. I don't even want to play chess. Like, I hate chess. Chess is a terrible game. I hate chess. Chess is stupid. Okay, so let's try to, until Tom asks me to play chess again. I'm not playing chess, but it has to be Tom specifically, just Tom. Now, I thought I had a Conan file. Do I have a Conan file? No, I don't. So wait a minute. No, so the Conan files the Conan dependencies are they're not. Conan. Okay, so this was the Conan file. I fucking hate Conan. And that's right. I was trying to do VC package because I wanted to, like, okay, so let's see. Let's back up. First of all, is Conan even installed? Let me see if Conan even works. Okay, Conan does work. What about VC package? Okay. The thing that really pisses me off about Conan is a C++ dependency manager written in Python. And it's horrible. It's horrible because it's written in Python, and like, oh my God. So you have to have Python installed, which of course makes sense. But then it's just, I mean, because like, oh, if you don't have the right version of Python installed, and then you got to install Conan once you install it, it's horrible. Instead of giving you a .exe file, nope. So I had gone down this path of trying to get Visual C package working. Here is Visual C package. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so now, granted, I did this a while back, so things may have changed substantially in terms of how useful AI is. So let's do that. Let's go over here. Easy. Okay. Perfect. VC package JSON. Okay. I have the following VC package.json file. What command? Okay. And VC package is installed. What command do I have to run in order to install the dependencies of this project? Let me, okay, there we go. Perfect. No, I feel no shame. No shame at all. Okay, so, okay, from the directory containing run this. Okay, what if, okay, I'm used to CMake, where the dependencies can/are installed in the build folder. Hence, if I create a folder called build that is a subfolder of the source folder, and then I cd build into it, how can I install things there? Okay, let's see what it does. Let's see what it says. But no, it's just, it's been one of those it's been one of those couple of weeks, right? Like, I mean, it's bizarre to think that, like, 2 weeks ago today, I'm like in this house in Botswana, living there with my girlfriend, and just now I gotta stop talking about this. I gotta stop. Okay. From inside your build folder, run okay. The -x manifest root tells VC package where the .json file is. And then the -x install. Huh? Oh, wait a minute. I think I get it. You generally do not need to run VC package install separately from the source directory. Or, okay, so let's try this. Let's try that. So, wait, what was I doing? What that was a dumb thing to do, Addy. Like, and I don't want to play more chess because I can tell that I'm tilted. Like, I can tell that, like, I'm emotional, right? And so I definitely don't want to play more chess and just, like, knock my oh my god, nothing, and knock my score down even more. So, and then there's work that I have to do when I finish this stream. As a matter of fact, I should probably not have done the stream. Like, I probably should have just done the work, but it's all right. It's all right. I need a little break anyway. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's telling me that, okay. Well, wait a minute. I did that already. Right? Let's just do this just for giggles. VC package root environment variable is not set. Please set it to the root of your VC package installation. Okay. 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 I simply did cmake ... from the build folder, and I get the following error. How or what do I have to do to get rid of it? And then I want to look at VC package versus Conan, because Conan is fucking awful, but I haven't used it in a while. Yeah, like, also the primary backer of VC package is Microsoft, as opposed to Conan, which is JFrog. Now, JFrog is basically like an Artifactory website. It's basically a service that is like how can I put this? The purpose of it is storage. And so it's just all a scam. It's not a scam. It's just I don't like Conan. And I remember a while back. Well, not a while back. At this point, it was like 10 years ago when I was like, okay, I was at a point in my life where I had to choose. Like everybody reaches a point in their life where one day you'll have to choose a C++ dependency manager. We've all been there. And I'm looking at VC package and I'm looking at Conan. And for whatever retarded ass reason, I decided to go with VC package. And so I now have tons, like not tons, but I have lots of tooling from projects built on Conan. No, wait, did I say I went to go with VC package? You know what I mean. It's just, oh God, I hate it. I hate Conan so much. Okay, what was I going? I was looking at this. Your CMake explicitly requires, okay, set it to the directory containing vcpackage.exe. Okay. Okay. Verify that it points to the correct installation. Okay, I think this should echo. I should echo the folder, right? Yes, it does. Okay, perfect. Now, what is this? What is this -- fresh? I know. What does CMake -- fresh do? I never heard of this. I've been using CMake since 2012. I've never, it was introduced in 3.24. I don't even know what version of CMake is on this machine. Okay, so I definitely have it. Wow. Performs a fresh configuration on your build tree by automatically deleting. Wow, that's awesome. I did not know that existed. I didn't know that existed. That's actually pretty cool. That's actually very cool. I mean, we've all have been impressed with command line arguments built into CMake before. We've all been there. Okay, so let's see. Wait. Whoa. Okay, the fact that this is taking its time is actually I'm happy with that. Yeah, I don't know. And then I got up at fucking 4:30 in the morning today. I got out of bed at like 4:45. And this was, I woke up at like 1:30 in the morning and I had to poop. And I was like so out of it that I nearly fell asleep on the toilet. I did one of these things. I'm sitting there and I'm like, what? Like one of those things, right? Like on the toilet. Oh, okay. I don't know what wow. Okay. This is like just working. This is like just working. Hi, Muwaan. Come here, honey. Come here, oh, he's scared. Come here. All right, I'll try to tone it down, Muwaan. I know you're just a scared little boy. Oh. Come here. Come here, Muwaan. Oh, okay. Well, the camera's not working. Okay. Well, the second camera, like, God forbid this camera actually work. But then again, it's like a Chinese. Okay. Is this just stuck in some loop? Oh, it's building the individual boost. Okay. Components. God, this makes me miss programming. I don't know, boys. Maybe we work on Maybe we work on the Reddit command line project. You think? I don't know. I mean, there's lots of. I mean, like I don't know. Maybe we do that. Maybe we actually do some programming to piss NotSure off because he's not here. Let me see. I want to. Honey, oh, he's shaking so bad. Oh, poor little boy. He's just a little boy. Okay, I'm just looking. I'm looking for some music on the other window here. Come on, little. Oh, I know. Let's see, what's this? This is probably all copyright music, so I don't know. Matthew! So many projects we need to stick with one and make it. Why am I the only one in the chat? I don't know. Well, Matthew, I kind of wanted to do some C. I wanted to kind of move to some C++, right? Like, I kind of wanted to just, like, I don't know. I have an itch, right? Like, I have an itch. I like, it's like, the thing is like, it's like I want something familiar, right? Like, it's like I'm sad, so I'm like seeking like familiarity. Hold on one second. I'm gonna have to close the stream for a second, but I'll be right. No, never mind. Never mind that because it's gonna close the mobile stream. But I'm like looking for like familiarity, for something familiar, right? And you know, because I'm sad. And so, like, I'm trying to, like, work through the sadness. I'm trying to, like, you know, not be so sad. So I want something familiar. And that's why I'm, like, seeking out, like, instead of calling, like, some, like, you know, some woman, like, 2 or 3 X's ago, I'm going to write something. And I'm going to work on a C++ project, you know? Like, we each have our vice. Okay, maybe I just okay, oh, it finished. Okay. That's actually, like, I'm actually surprised it finished like that. Okay, let's just, for giggles, let's just try building. I'm not even sure what's going to happen. Let's just build. Okay, it did get an error. This isn't building my code. This is building, oh my God, boost. It's trying to, okay, I forget the command to list the targets, but I think I can just do cmake. It's been a while. Cmake -- build -- target. Is it this? Is that how you do it? No. Ugh. Using cmake. How do I build a specific build target? I forget the syntax. Come on. I was right. Okay, cmake. Okay, did I -- target? Oh, I don't think I need the quotes. CL. Really? You know what? I'm on Windows. I'm on Windows, bitch. Let's just try using Visual Studio. Muwaan, are you okay, honey? Are you? Oh, this poor little dog. Isn't there like a Visual Studio selector or something? I thought I had 26 installed. All right, I'm just going to go with 22. Well, wait a minute. Let's look at this. Let's look at the menu. I do have 26 installed. All right, we're going to go with 22. No. I'm not happy with this. I'm not satisfied with that. I really want common IDE. There we go. So I do have to be on the lookout, because, do you see me in chat? So I got a text from NotSure asking if I saw him in chat. No, I do not see you in chat. It's not, Matthew, do you see NotSure? Because I do not see NotSure. Is NotSure there? Apparently NotSure is in the chat room. Okay, what is going on here? Okay, so this... Okay, can I build? Okay. Set as startup project. Build. Okay, so this is getting... Okay, so that's a... Whoa. Jeez. Wow. Wow. I think at some point I set the text to really big so you guys can see. Mr. Justin is there. Not sure. Is not sure there. Addy, everyone is in the Friday stream. Oh my God, really? What the hell's... Okay, let me... Am I streaming on the Friday stream? I thought I noticed that, but then I was like, wait a minute, what's happening? Like, okay, wait a minute. Wait, just a cotton picking minute. Wait a minute. Okay. I don't understand how that happened. Okay, so let me, am I streaming in the, like, literally, am I streaming? Okay, I see it. Is the show streaming? There are people. Oh my God, there's tons of people in there. What the hell is happening? How do I have two different streams? Oh my God. Oh my stars and garters. What is going on? I have no idea what's going on. Okay. All right. I'm ending that. Okay. Wait. Not yet. Okay. All right. How did this happen? Okay. I am going to link people from the other one. Come in here, you bastards. Okay. I'm going to end this. I have no idea how that happened. How am I streaming to 3 different places? Oh, wow. Okay, hopefully... That's weird. Muwaan, chill. Wow, man, look, I like, there were like people in there, like Tom was in there. Hello, Addy, please, let's play chess. Oh my God, Addy, Matthew's in there. Like, how in the world did I get, I don't know how that happened. Like, because Streamlabs only supports 2 different targets. So, wow. All right. Let me go and make sure that this is hidden. Tom was begging me to play chess, apparently. Let's see. All right, let's go in here. Let's just make this private. I don't know what happened there. That's bizarre. Okay, Tom. Are you in here now, Tom? Tom, are you in here? Man, let's look at the analytics of this video that I wasn't even trying to make. I got 30 views. That's more than I normally get. That's more than this got. Justin, are you still in here? Wow. This was active. I didn't goof up. Streamlabs fucked this up. Not me. Streamlabs. Okay. All right. Justin's still in here. That's good to know. As long as Jaybird's still here, I'm happy. Three people. Okay, process. Okay. Boost trim. Okay. Really? Are we all together now? Yes, we're all together now. I'm attempting to do a C++ project because it's been years. The NBG team says, I guess so. Yes, look, we're all together. We're all together. Can we chill out? Do we want to play chess now? Because I know Tom was begging me in the other chat room to play chess. So do we want to play chess? Holy hell. No, it's not my fault. I'm telling you. Look, Streamlabs only allows you to select two targets. Would let you pay. It only allows you to select two outputs. All right? Unless you're Chad and then you get three inputs. No, it allows you to select two outputs. Okay? And how... No, not my fault. Blood. Okay, I'm doing another blood pressure check. I took it at the beginning of the stream. I'm going to take another one. Fine, not sure. I took it earlier. It was 144/89, so it was high. Let's take it again because, like I said at the beginning of the stream, that's the new beginning of the stream ritual. Is we're taking my blood pressure at the beginning of every stream. So I'm taking it now. Be quiet. Just chill. Just chill. You're not supposed to talk while you're getting your blood pressure taken. Just chill. All right, chill. Just chill. Oh, wow. It's gone up. Okay, so at 4:49 p.m., my blood pressure is 148/100. It's high. Before I went to Botswana, it was beautiful. It was I would sometimes get to 119, right? But it was usually around 123/70, which is still, it's not high, it's elevated, but it's still fine. Now, but then I go to Botswana and it was freaking 160/120, and it was fucking high. And that's I went to after I had the whole episode where I lost my memory and I couldn't remember what country I was in. Then I go to the doctor, and then he's I was getting ready to do an African accent, but I can't. But he was we're gonna put you on blood pressure medication. I'm like, okay, and it brought it down, but it oh my god. So and then I'm like, okay, well I'm going back to the U.S. So hopefully my blood pressure will drop. It didn't drop. Nope, it didn't drop. Disaster stream, my flight is delayed for 4 hours. Wait, you're not on the plane? Holy heck. I would be pissed. I wouldn't be pissed. I would be livid. All right, I've got to pay attention to WhatsApp. I'm going to put this up here because something very important is happening. My wife is coming home. That's not what's important. I mean, that's important, but it's not super. What's important though is she's picking up more medicine on the way home, but she's picking up a Lido pizza. And so I told her, I was like, okay, well, when you leave Target, let me know and I'll order the pizza. And then she's going to go pick up the Lido pizza, boys. Lido pizza. All right, let me just, I got to put WhatsApp. I'm going to put that up here so that I can keep an eye on it. All right, easy. No, but what I was trying to say, guys, is like, I thought that like I could try, like, I could do like some, like, again, like I'm sad. So, okay, let me do something. Let me seek some comfort. And instead of running into the arms of some stranger or like my wife, like, no, but like instead of doing that, like let me do some not sure saying I was gonna say let's do some C++. Like I was gonna be like let's do some C++ programming. Can we do some C++ programming? I want something that's like familiar, okay? All right. And so we have 3 projects, and I'm gonna put it in the chat room. I'm gonna let you guys vote. Let me put the camera back, but I'm gonna the camera is back. That's weird. Okay, no, I'm gonna let you guys vote on what project we work on, but I'm going to narrow it down. So let me do it like this. Okay, start a poll. So, which project should we work on? Okay, which C++ project? Which C++ project should we work on? Okay, so the one that I was trying to get, and this is small, this is called Clipboard. Now, I realized I started writing this tool before I realized that a tool like this already exists. This is, I don't have a compiled version of it, but basically it's a command line tool so that you can do things like cat, chill, okay? The command cat, okay? God. All right. But like, do you know what, does everybody know? Raise your hand if you know what the command cat does, right? Basically, it just echoes a file, right? So like, so cat, cmake cat, like, okay, right? And it just prints the file out to the console. But what you could do is you could do this. You could cat, and then you could pipe it. Well, that's not piping, but that's redirecting. You could redirect it to this program called CB, right? And what would happen is the contents of the file would be copied to the clipboard. And so basically it was a clipboard utility, because I found often like I would do like ls, like I would do something like ls, right? To list the files. And I would be like, well, I could do this, right? Like I could do that and copy, but then I wanted to be able to do ls and then redirect it to CB. And did that work? Okay, I didn't think so, but I can redirect it. So it's basically a clipboard utility where I can redirect files, but then it also had other, let's look up what it did. Like I had other options on it. Okay, so like right here, so you could, like print. You could print the content of the clipboard, copy, like you could actually pass it in a file name, so it would copy the file to the clipboard. Just things like that, right? So that's the first one, okay? First one is clipboard. Okay. The second utility, or well, you know what? I think I have I'm pretty sure I have all of these in my GitHub. Not utility. The second program the second C++ program we could work on is, let me it's called, I actually quite like the name of it. It's called Arc, another Reddit console client, right? This is exactly that. It's basically just a REPL program. If you don't know what REPL is, raise your hand and I'll explain it. But it's basically I think it's called REPL. But it's a command line it's a way to read. It's a way to navigate and read Reddit on the command line. I like command line utilities. Call me crazy, okay? So that's the other thing, Arc. And then while I was talking, I thought of a third one, but now I have forgotten the third one. Let's look it up. Let's look at what projects I have here. Like it's not OWL. OWL is it's a GUI program. It's very complicated, and it was like the little program that could. It's not. I didn't want to work on my cryptocurrency, my crypto coin. No, it wasn't that. What was it? It wasn't Kekbo. We could work on Kekbo, but that's not C++. I really want to do something in C++ just to prove that I can still do C++. Let's see. It wasn't AshDB. Wasn't Lucene. It wasn't no, it wasn't any of this. Wasn't any of that. Oh, GRQ, Get Rich Quick. That was a project I was working on. OWL2. No, it wasn't OWL2. Wait a minute. Where did I need to make sure I pay attention to WhatsApp. Okay, there, I'm paying attention. Okay. There was a third one. What was the third one? Not sure. I know you know it. No, it wasn't that. Wasn't any of these. Maybe the third one doesn't exist. Maybe I just made it up. Yeah, I don't see it. Yeah, wait a minute. That's weird though. Like where did it go? Let's go back to page 1. We could work on my resume. We could work on the Tommy Tutor video game. Yeah, you want a training bot. Everybody, every fucking body comes to me and like, oh, hey. Like, they think they got the $1 million idea. What if, okay, this is going to make us so much money, but what if we used AI and then we had a trading bot and then it could just automatically do trade? I've had 4 different people come to me like, could you program? Like, what about a trade? And then there was this guy, Mark. Oh, Mark, who would just go on Facebook and just talk. Like, he messages me. He starts off automatically like, hey, are you a decent programmer? And so like immediately I'm like, fuck you, right? Like, like, hey, so anyway, so he's just like, I got this great idea. And then like, he reminds me of Robbie. Like every little win that he has, like, is embellished 1,000-fold, right? So if he makes a trade where he earns $50, suddenly he's got the secret sauce to the stock market, and he's going to retire within the next week. If just he could find a programmer to write his AI bot, and it's like, oh Jesus fucking Christ. Anyway, no, we're not working on that. We're not working on another fucking trading bot. Yeah, no, we're gonna work on one of these two. Okay, nope, that's it. Okay, which one? I'm gonna let you guys vote. Okay, the poll's there. You guys vote. You tell me what we want to work on. Let's see. NotSure says, okay, I read all of that. Let's work. Okay, let's do C++ already working on game engine. I need someone better than me coding to get motivated. Jell says, I want a trading bot. NotSure says, me too. And then Lynn's Core is laughing. We could work on the game engine. I mean, we could work on a game engine. Like the Tommy Tutor video game, which was, have I cloned that? The Tommy Tutor video game was written using SMFL or SFML. I can't remember which one it is, but it's written in C++ using this, like, it's a media library. So it's useful for presenting graphics, like displaying graphics, playing sounds and things like that. It's not a game engine, but you can write games with it. And so I started writing a game with it. And then, But basically, I realized I was kind of writing a game engine. Okay, yeah, TTVG. I don't think I ever got it compiling on here. No, I didn't. Oh, excuse me. Ah! So 100% so far is... Okay, wait, I don't want to give it away, but it doesn't tell me how many people voted on that one thing. It just tells me the percentage of people that voted on that one thing. I'm going to go into my own chat room and I'm going to vote too. I'm going to vote. I mean, like, you know, don't you think that Kim Jong-un gets the vote when he's like, you know, when they're electing dictator? So, I mean, you know, I'm Kim Jong-un of my stream, so I should get a vote as well, I think. I think it's only fair. Was there literally just one option? No, there were two. There were two. All right. Okay, one person's voted. That's what. 100%. One person has voted. Fuck you guys. I don't know who voted, but I mean, that one person might be choosing what we work on. Let me see. I don't even know if that is it cloned? It might be easier actually to work on it in Ubuntu than Windows. Find I'm just gonna do this. Oh my god, what is God motherfucking not sure? Were you not listening? I literally just spent the past 10 minutes describing the two projects, and now you're asking me what is... Oh my fucking god. Linscore says, Addy, do you stream 2 live streams on YouTube? Yes, I stream this one, the desktop. What is it called? I stream in landscape and in portrait mode. Okay, that's it. I don't know if it makes sense to do it that way. Maybe I should stream in this and on blah blah. In Twitch, maybe. I don't know. I was going to pay for StreamYard or Streamlabs. I was going to pay for the Streamlabs because then you can stream to like Twitch. You can stream to like 5, 6 different ones at the same time. And so I was like, well, I could stream to YouTube and Twitch and Kick and Facebook and TikTok and all of that. Well, actually, no, you can't stream on TikTok. You need 1,000 subscribers to do a live stream on TikTok. I have 0 because I don't have a TikTok account. But I was like, yeah, no, maybe I should, you know, pay for the Streamlabs subscription. But I'm leaving next weekend, so I'm out of here. Yeah, deep breath. I know. All right. Jesus Christ, you people drive me nuts. Okay, not sure. I just deplaned. Okay, not sure. I can forgive you. Not sure. I still have work. I need to get off of here. I need to write some goddamn like newsletter thing for like, because the company I work for, like there's a parent company, and then the parent company has a newsletter, and since I run engineering for the company I work, like I gotta write this newsletter about, well, we have been working very hard and diligently to get this release out on top. Oh God, thank God for AI, because I'm gonna like I was typing it out earlier, and like I'm AI in that shit. Like that shit's going right into AI. I'm gonna dump my thoughts into AI and have AI just write a couple of paragraphs, and that's it. I don't want to hear anything else. Okay. What was I gonna do? Oh, I was gonna clone Arc. Let me find it though. Oh, that's my resume. You guys don't need to see that. Wait a minute. Let me see. GitHub. Arc. I voted for Arc. Sounds cool. Thank you, Not Sure. Thank you. Everybody's voting for Arc. Okay, so let me come over here Maybe we'll work on this for the next few days until I get some inspiration, until I get out of this funk. But honestly, I don't know when I'm going to get out of this funk. Like this funk's gonna be around for a little bit. It's going to be around for a little bit. Like the funk might not be gone until after I get back from Namibia. Is this the Reddit CLI? Yes. It's the Reddit CLI. The first step is going to be to get the goddamn thing to build. Whoops. God damn it, I can't type. No, that's going to be the first step, is getting the damn thing to build. Travis. Oh, that's because I was using, okay, yeah, CICD. Yeah, like app. So yeah, I was using AppVeyor. This is how old the project is. So AppVeyor it's the Windows CI/CD. It's so you can have Windows-based pipelines in your CI/CD pipeline, and GitHub for the longest time just didn't have Windows support. I guess maybe it cost them money or something with licensing, so you had to use this website called AppVeyor. But then they eventually added it. Why do we need the performance of C++? Who said we need the performance of C++? Why are you asking questions about things? No, like you're answering question. No, you're answering question. No, never mind. Just shut up, NotSure. Matthew, would you please ban NotSure? Please, just ban him. God, already driving me nuts. You know, I liked it better when it was just Matthew and I. No, I didn't. I love you guys. NotSure knows I love him. Though sometimes NotSure gets stuck in his fields, and then, like, you know, he closes his accounts and everything. I get stuck in my fields too, so it happens. It happens. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can remember how to build this, and then let's see what we got. README. Okay, so I have absolutely no build instructions, but maybe I have a file called build. It's possible. No, this is an old project. When was the last commit I had on this? Wow. 7 years ago. Okay, so 2 years ago, I updated. Okay, all right. 9 years ago. God, I am old. Jesus Christ. I didn't realize I'd been working on this thing that long. Well, I haven't been working on it. I didn't realize I started writing this thing that long ago. Okay. We can do this. We can do this. All right, guys. Focus. 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 Okay. So this is using Conan. This is using... Okay. So first thing I got to do is I got to clone the submodules. I forget how to do that. Is it git submodule? It's like update dash a init, something like that. Oh yeah, look, I did it first try. Recursive? Well, I don't think I have any submodules in submodules, so I think this works fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a let's see if we can. Let's just see what happens if we just run cmake that. Let's just do cmake ... Just for giggles, let's see what happens. Okay, I got to specify the build type. -cmake build type equals rel with deb info. Unknown. This is fucking Conan. This is a problem with Conan. Oh my god. Oh my god, Conan. Okay. I have no idea what the latest version of Conan is, but let's. Oh my god, this is where the nightmare begins. Dependency tool C++. What version are they on? I know they're on 2.0. They went to 2.0 like 5 years ago. So at least this is on 2.0. But what is the latest version? 2.3. Oh, 2.31. I'm on 2.8. Okay. 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 Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. I can't do it. I don't know if I can do it. I just don't know if I have it in me. I just don't know if I have it in me. Oh God. No, I'm already in a VC shell. This is a oh my God. This is like my blood. I can feel my blood pressure. Conan is so. Have I mentioned how fucking awful Conan is as a package manager? It is fucking terrible. Okay? So first of all, because if it doesn't recognize the compiler, there's no way to override it. So many times, like because Microsoft's coming out with a new version of Visual of like C++ of their C++ compiler, MSVC. They come out with a new version of MSVC like every week, it seems like. And Conan, for whatever reason, and their genius, they decided, yes, what we will do, because I think they're Danish. Yes, what we will do is if we do not recognize the version of MSVC, we will not allow any way to override. We will not allow any way to bypass that check. We will just fail. It's just, that's what they, oh my God, it's awful. To be honest, yeah, Conan is a headache. It's not a headache. It's a fucking nightmare. It's a nightmare. Oh God. Okay. And like the thing is like, okay, and then not to mention that Windows and Python are a fucking nightmare. Like Windows and Python all together are just terrible. And it's like, why do I have to fucking deal with Python when I'm trying to write a C++? Oh my God, it's awful. Okay. It's okay. You know what? It's a command line. It's a command line thing. So why don't we do this? Why don't we just do this? Make directory build Ubuntu. All right. Change directory build Ubuntu. Now, I don't know if I have Conan installed on this. I don't. Okay. All right. Okay. Ubuntu. Pip. Okay. Pip install Conan. Okay. All right. Okay. Conan-V. No, not C, -V. Okay. We're good. Did I mention we're good? Okay. I don't know if I have C++. Do I have a C++ compiler installed on this? I do. Do I have CMake installed on this? I don't. Sudo apt install CMake. Nope, that's not it. Okay, all right. Install. No, wait. Let's just ask AI. I don't remember the command in Ubuntu. I mostly use Alma when I do use Linux, but nowadays all I do is attend meetings. I don't program nowadays. I just attend meetings. That's my job, is just sitting on meetings. Okay. All right. I need some happier. Okay, wait. Okay. I was afraid that maybe my wife had texted me and was like, "Can you order the pizza?" And then I just had a wall of text messages being like, "Did you order the pizza?" But she hasn't. Let me text her, saying like, where are you? Okay, I'm was going to ask a very simple question, which apparently is very difficult for me to ask people sometimes, but that's another story. I talked about that yesterday, where you just couldn't ask a person a simple question. But you know what? That's my own little... Okay, just got out of work. Okay. How to install CMake. There's like there's like a C++ package thing, but I don't remember. Okay. How to install CMake on Ubuntu. Sudo apt install CMake. Isn't that what I typed? All right, but maybe it's not. Maybe it's not. I was close. It is what I typed. Oh, I made a typo. Okay. All right. Password. Perfect. I'm not dealing with that. Okay. All right. Perfect. I made a typo, Lindsay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. CMake ... Let's just see what happens. Let's just go for it. Let's just go for the gusto. Okay, that's good. That's an easy error, or that's an easy thing to get past. But we can get past it. I mean, it's not like CMake cheated on me, so I can get past this. Wait, what? No. Okay, rel with deb info. All right. It's not like I cheated on. Okay, wait a minute. I'm about to cheat on CMake. What's going on? What? Did I spell? Okay, CMake rel with deb info. The build. Oh my god. It's Conan. It's Conan. Okay, it's because the goddamn. Okay, but you know what? I'm just gonna fucking AI this shit because it's something like I need to create like the default profile, the default Conan profile. But I'm just gonna help. I fucking hate Conan, and I don't even want to read the error. Just help me get past it, please. All right. Okay. Okay, she just got out of work. Okay. Let me know when you leave Target, because we're getting Lido Pizza, please. Okay. All right, profile detect, and then you rerun your command. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's try that. Okay. Okay. CMake. Okay, it's another fucking Conan error. Okay. All right. Okay. Because that's another thing. They changed the fucking syntax from one version to... Oh. And it looks like they changed the fucking syntax in a minor release. I don't know that they did, so I might be reacting to something that they actually didn't do, but I wouldn't put it past these fuckers. Like when you go from like 2 point... Like, okay. No. Wait a second. Okay. Let me delete this. When you go from like 1.0 to 1.1, right? Or like when you do like 1.x to 1.x plus 1 or whatever it is, right? That is a minor update. That is a minor release. There's major, what is it? Major, minor, patch build if you do semantic versioning. Okay? All right. When you do these types of upgrades, you're not supposed to break things like change. You're not supposed to have like API changes. You're not supposed to have like config file changes or file format changes. Like these are some, like you can have new features, like sure, you shouldn't have major features, but okay, whatever. You can have features in these updates, but they don't have to be. They should be
backwards compatible. Things like config files, things like APIs, like those should be backwards compatible. I swear to God, it looks like Conan, but it wouldn't surprise me if these Danish fuckers broke it. If these Danish assholes, I don't know why I keep calling them Danish assholes, but it wouldn't, oh my God, what a terrible fucking tool. I want to go back in time just so I can punch myself for deciding to use Conan. Like it is easily one of the worst decisions of my life. Like there have been a few really bad decisions in my life, usually involving women. But this one, no. This was just, oh my God. Lindsay says Conan breaks API every time they increment the minor version. Wow. That's, oh my God. Oh my God. I remember when I worked at AOL in the early 2000 noughts, right? Like that's what they're called. 2000 noughts. The 2000s. And AOL, for whatever reason, the media player that they used, and it's not really used that much these days, but it was written by retards. And I know you guys know what it is. You can probably guess. Just think. I'm going to it sounds like Lindsay might know. Justin might even know. NotSure might even know. Matthew wasn't even born yet, so he probably does not know. But what media player from the early 2000s was written by retards? If you had to guess, what was it? What was it? If you had to guess. I'm gonna wait a minute before I carry on. All right, let me see what this is. Okay, she says okay. I'm gonna end the poll. Okay, everybody, like 2/3 of the people want to work on Arc. That's good to know. DB Zanpan is in the mobile chat. He says hi. Hi, DB Zanpan. You know, DB Zanpan was here yesterday with Kitty. Okay, find options. Change every package option from this. Oh my God, wow. Apple Movie Player. Close, but no. This was I think it was, I'm going to look up over here. It wasn't Windows Media Player. I'm going to look over on the off screen to see if the media player I'm thinking about was cross-platform. Cross-platform in the early 2000s. Yes, it was cross-platform. Okay, I did not realize it was available across multiple operating systems, including Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and Unix, like proper Unix. Yes. And NotSure got it. Yes, NotSure got it. Real player. I used to send them emails. And say things like, hi, my cousin got into a terrible accident and only has usage of about 20% of his brain. Do you think you could find him a job as an engineer at Real Player? Like, it was just like, I used to just send it to like root at realplayer.com or whatever the URL was. Oh my God. So Conan, it kind of reminds me like I'm thinking that like whatever people wrote Real Player, they moved on to write a C++ package manager in the 2020s. What am I doing? Winamp. I liked Winamp. Actually, I actually quite liked Winamp. I'm going to turn to, it's getting warm in here. Okay, no. What did I grab my phone for? It wasn't for it was something else, but okay. All right. So what is AI telling me to do to fix this? Okay, open, okay. Conanfile.txt. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wow, you have to. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Change every package option from this to this. Okay, so in options, okay, so I think I can just do this. I can just do some like cursor magic and then just do boom. Oh, nope, not that. Right here and just do boom, boom, like that. Wait, what was it? Oh, boom, boom. Perfect. Okay, let's see if that works. No. It did not work. Options should be specified. Oh my God. Okay, wait a minute. All right, package/star option. Okay. Well, which one is wrong? Oh, is it? I think I know what okay. Yeah, the issue is that it's in here. I think I need to change it in here. Okay. Okay. All right. We're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. All right. Now we're cooking with fire. Okay. I like this. I like this. I hope you know you aren't sharing desktop. Oh, well, now you tell me. Why didn't you tell me before? I knew that. I meant to. I meant to do that, Matthew. Mr. Smarty Pants. I meant to not share my desktop. You should make this your ringtone. I don't know what that is, Justin. So Justin, I've known Justin for a few years now. I met Justin in 2018. I quickly learned that he was a raging alcoholic. Okay, he's not. That's not fair because that's not actually true. He's not raging. He's just an alcoholic. But I love the guy. I love him. But I don't think he would get mad at me for saying that because he knows he's an alcoholic. So, let's see. DB Zedpan says, said hi. I need money. Deep. Oh my god. I am like I had to block somebody today because she was just like it's just like money. Like I'm sick of these people asking me for money. Like, okay. I'm not, the thing is like, even with Justin being an alcoholic, he can afford to be an alcoholic because he's worth, like, he had a company and he sold it for over $300 million. And like, he had like the majority share. So he's like sitting pretty, like he's really wealthy. Lindsay says, to be honest, including OpenSSL as a package to a project using Conan is absolute nightmare. Oh yeah, no, I've been down the OpenSSL nightmare with Conan before. Yeah, nope. It's awful. Everything this seems pretty smooth so far. Muwaan, you want to come here? Where did you go? Okay, no, he's in the other room. The room behind me is a total disaster. I got home a week ago. And I just kind of like, I was like, I walk in and I had the suitcases and I was like, and I just like throw the suitcases and just like, and I haven't cleaned since. It's just like, I'm not doing the, like, I'm not doing that so much anymore, but it's still just a mess I don't want to clean up. I just don't think I'm emotional. Like, I literally don't think I'm emotionally ready to clean up just yet. NotSure says, I thought my cue. I don't know what that means. Okay, come on. Okay, I mean, so, okay, it's going to build Boost, it looks like. This is also probably an old version of Boost. I mean, not probably. It is. What is this? This is version 1.84. What version of Boost are they on? C++ Boost library. I mean, I haven't looked into this in ages. Plane was delayed for 4 hours, so I paid for the United Club. You should get reimbursed for that. What was your flight number? Not sure. What was it? What version are they on? Okay, they're on 192. I would think 2.0 is coming out soon. Let me see. Where is I'm not sure. Let's see. Addy is live. Let's see. Captain. I know not sure. Oh, wait, there it was. It was right there. Gosh darn it. UA 1791. That's another thing about Justin, which is weird. He flies Delta. Like, he prefers Delta. But then again, I mean, in fairness, like, the only reason I fly United a lot is because I live right next to Dulles Airport, which is a hub. It's like one of like two hubs for United Airlines. So, Not Sure says that was $60 ham sandwich. Wait, but don't you? Okay, never mind. What? But okay, but this says. Okay, departing late. Wait. I'm so confused. 3 p.m. Where are you? Not sure, because this flight information is wrong. I don't like it. Okay, it's going to take a minute building boost. Okay, expected to depart in 14 minutes. Okay, so you're going for. Okay, so you're coming home. You're coming home. Okay, got it. Yeah, Henna was mad at me. Matthew, you need to calm her down. You need to calm Henna down because she was mad at me. She was mad. So, like, Matthew, you need to like talk to her and you need to like slap some like calmness into that woman, because normally, like, I mean, like the best way to get a woman to calm down is you tell them calm down, right? Just like, hey, calm down. Can you calm down? And like normally they'll just snap right out of it and be like, oh, you know what? You're right. I'm overreacting. That usually works. But yeah, you need to talk to her, Matthew. Okay. We are still building boost, it looks like. Now it's building curl, which should only take a minute. Terrible advice. No, Justin. No. I mean, Justin's not used to telling women to calm down because, like, as much money as he has, like, he'll just throw like a wad of hundreds at them and just like, and then they just shut up and go away. Or I've seen him literally before. Like, look, do you want another Versace bag or another Chanel dress? Because if you don't shut up, you're not getting it. And then, like, or I've also seen him like pull the like, I will close your black card if you don't shut your mouth. You know. He's done that before. Justin is savage. Okay, we got an error. What is this? Finalizing. Okay, what's okay? Deprecated. What's the error? It's up here somewhere. Leaving. Seriously? What's the error? Okay, that's not it. That's a warning. Error. Invalid generator. Oh, I think I know what this is. Ninja. That's the generator I want. How do I specify the generator? Oh, I don't think I have Ninja installed. Wait, do I? Wait, what? Who? That's not going to work. Does not match. Yeah, this is confusing me, right? Because this is basically like what the generator is basically the tool for building. like Unix make files. Like I wanted to use Ninja, but apparently I've already. Okay, but wait, I'm so confused. Okay, we're gonna try this. We might have to do that over again, but I'm gonna try with the new command line argument that I just learned today. Fresh. Let's see if that works. Nope, that's not gonna work. CMake is unable to find the build course. Okay, so Ninja. I thought. Okay. I'm so confused. All right, whatever. Look, I'm a bit rusty, okay? I'm a bit rusty, so just chill. Yeah. Oh, dash space. Is it space? I thought it was okay. Space Ninja. Yeah, I didn't think it was a space. I'm pretty sure it's not a space. Okay, CMake is unable to find the build programs corresponding to Ninja. CMake program was okay. I'm just gonna ask AI. The highlight to blink. Yeah, I don't know if I have Ninja installed or not. Let me see. No. Sudo apt install Ninja, not Nunja, Ninja-build-y. But I'm pretty sure it's not going to work even if I do install Ninja, because it's not telling me that I can't find it. It's telling me that it's invalid. But you know, wouldn't be the first time I'm wrong. So let's try it. I'm going to try it without the space because I'm pretty sure it's without. I'm pretty sure it doesn't want the space. Okay. All right. Maybe it's working. Okay. Maybe not. This is weird. All right, I'm going to ask AI. On Ubuntu, I get the following error. When I do, what is it? CMake -- CMake build type equals rel with deb info -g Ninja. Viewer count suddenly went down to 0. Oh my God, you've hit another Conan 1 to Conan 2 incompatibility. Give me a sec. I want to sign into Twitter because I need to express. Okay, I'm not signing into Twitter apparently. That's not letting me sign in. I wanted to express my absolute disgust. What has happened? Am I even streaming anymore? Like suddenly nothing's working. Okay, there we go. This is not an Ubuntu or Ninja problem. The project is written for Conan 1, but you've installed Conan 2. Okay, I know that. Yes. Okay. How about upgrading the project? Okay. All right. Wait a minute. The least painful fix is to install Conan 1 with the build project. No. I don't want to do that. Okay. What do I need to do to migrate the project to Conan 2? Here is my cmake list.txt file, which is where all the Conan stuff is. And that should technically be the only, but then there's that weird CMake project. There's like that weird CMake Conan integration library thingy that I might have to update. Where is that? It's this right here, this conan.cmake file. So this, I got it 2 years ago. So who knows how old that is? NotSure says, back on the plane at San Francisco airspace is so messed up. We are delayed because there was too much traffic. I'm sorry, NotSure. I mean, the problem is, Justin, I remember this one time that, Justin, he calls me and he's like, hey. I'm like, hey. And he's like, you got your passport? And I'm like, I mean, it's here. And he's like, okay, well, I got a car coming to pick you up in 10 minutes. We're going to Cabo. And I'm like, so I'm thinking that all right, great. We got to go to the airport and it's going to be a whole thing. No, private jet. He flew me, our friend David, and Justin. We go down to Cabo. I don't even know where Cabo is, but he didn't have to know where it was because he took care of everything. It's insane how much money this guy has. Where is Cabo? I literally don't know where Cabo is. Cabo Verde. When people say I'm going to Cabo, they're not talking about Cabo Verde, are they? I've heard of Cabo Verde. Verde. Okay, yeah, it's in Mexico. Yeah, okay. I think Matthew left. I think he got sick of everything. I'm about to leave soon, too. But we have made some progress on this. Okay. Wait a minute. I was waiting for AI to answer a question. Quite the imagination you have. Okay. You need to stop running Conan from inside CMake lists. I don't want to. With Conan 2, run Conan install first. It generates... Okay, so your Conan... Okay, so Conan... Okay, so... Okay, I know where Conan.txt is supposed to go. So, okay, so we got to do this. This is going to be a nightmare. Conan.txt. All right. And then I want to comment out the Conan stuff in here. Okay, well, wait. It's going to tell... I'm sure the AI is going to tell me what... let me see. Conan. I added this. Format header only. Okay. Okay, it's got that. Okay, perfect. Remove the old Conan block. Okay, so initialize Conan. Okay, so that... Man, it was so much easier just working on St. Aveline. It's all right, though. It's all right. So, Justin, you need to stop being so modest. Okay? Just stop being modest. Okay, remove Conan paths.cmake. Delete this line. Conan paths.cmake. Okay, got that. Replace your dependency solution. Replace this with this. Okay. All right. Find curl format in null JSON. Null in JSON. Okay, this right here. Okay. This, and then the include directories I need to remove. Okay, I'm just gonna comment it out for now. I liked St. Aveline. I did too. But I really just want something that's comforting. I just really want something that's comforting. Okay. Link the generated CMake targets. Okay, so arc CMake. Okay. I don't know, boys. Like, it. Yeah, it. I don't know. Today was kind of today was a lot. Today was just
it was just a lot, like with work and then with this personal stuff, and like not even like a lot of stuff happened with the personal stuff, but it's just it's like I'm too much of a romantic. I'm too much of like I don't know. I'm too much of a feeler, right? Like I feel too much. Do not blindly add every boost library. I don't which. Okay, add the ones currently. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, and so it's you know, like if there's the least little bit sign of, I don't want to say reconciliation, but if there's the least little bit of sign of hope, then I'm gonna latch onto it, and my mind is just gonna go like I don't know, man. I don't know. So there's just like that, but then okay. So and then this other person is like texting me, and she's just like, oh no, everything's terrible. Like and like, like it's like I know the other person just wants money. And she's just like, oh no, everything's terrible. It's all falling apart. Like my life's awful. And I'm just like, oh my God. NotSure said, I never heard what happened. Yeah, because you weren't here yesterday. And I'm not going through it again. All right, this is not going to work. And then I'm going to call it a day. But we'll pick this up tomorrow. I mean, I have enjoyed working on this. Today. I'll watch on the plane. Yeah, so it's yesterday's stream. I would say about an hour into it is when I started talking to it. I changed yesterday's to members only. So because I don't need everybody in the world knowing my life. But it's just could not find what? I'm in the folder. What do you mean you couldn't find conidfile.txt? Wait, didn't I save it? Wait, where did I save it? Oh, wait. It's literally called Conan file. Oh my stars and garters. It's literally called Conan file.txt. Okay. Adapt and overcome. Yeah, but like, okay. Here's the thing. Like, I'm old, right? And it's like, I'm like, when things started falling apart with this person, like, I kind of realized that, like, I'm kind of sick of this, like part of life and part of relationships is you have this relationship and you care very much about this person, and this person's like a big part of your life, and then you break up and you never hear from them again, right? And I was like, and I'm just thinking, like, I'm kind of sick of that. Like, I'm sick of it. Like, I was like angry because it's like, I'm sick of these people coming into my life, and then for whatever reason, whether it's my fault, whether it's their fault, whether it's nobody's fault, whether it's both of our fault, it's just like, it's infuriating that, like, the number of people that are like have been important to me and that were like such a big part of my life for some period of time, and now just gone, poof. And that's where I'm just like, no, I'm fucking sick of it. I'm tired of it. I'm pissed off. I want to write a letter to the management. All right, I'm just kind of blindly following AI here. Could not find package configuration provided with curl. What time is it? It's 5:50. I think. Let me try this. I'm literally just gonna
blindly follow AI until it works or until I'm ready to go. But I'm mad. I'm angry. I want to write a strongly worded email to the manager and tell them that no, I don't like this policy. This is a shitty policy. I'm sick of this policy. I just got an email from this person. Yeah. Oh, this is work. I mean, it's kind of seems to be working. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. I mean, that does seem to be working. I don't know why I did 18, but whatever. Somebody's drunk. Not me. Not me. I'm talking like the person I'm getting emails from. Somebody's drunk. I'm gonna go to Namibia in a couple of weeks, and like the truth of the matter is like I could go to South America. I could go somewhere in Europe. I could go to Oceania, but the problem with Oceania is the time zones and like so there's problems with that. But I could go to almost anywhere, but I want to go back to Africa. Not because I love Africa that much. I mean, Africa's cool. Okay, this is a linking error. This is just going to be more. But the point is like, I don't know, man. Like, I know I'm just blabbing and I'm not making any sense. And no, I'm sick of the entire, like, people coming in and out of your life. And I'm just tired of that. All right, let's try this one more thing, and then that's it. The code migration itself worked. This is now a plain CMake link line bug. Something in the project is adding the Mac OS only cursor. Oh, I know what that means. All right, I didn't even bother looking at the error. All right, I think I can fix that without you guys' help. Yeah, core services. Yeah. Where did it go? Core services. It's right there. Okay. Yes, I can just do this. I just want to get this thing running, and then we'll call it a day. Tomorrow we'll work on like signing in and all that. I'll show you how that works. If it, this is gonna be amazing if it links. It's gonna take a minute to link. Okay, wow, it's working. Not sure it's working. Oh, sweet. Let me see. Okay, because I'm gonna do login. Oh, okay. Yeah, because what it does is I don't know. I like muscle memory. I keep typing ls-al. Yeah. Anyway, no, that's cool though. We got it building, which is something. It's building. We can run the program. The reason this error, I know exactly what this is. So the login, what it does is it pops up the, it'll run the default browser on the system, and it does that with basically a shell command. But what this is saying is that the shell, it's because this is an Ubuntu. I think I only have it working for like Windows and Mac. It must not be working properly under Ubuntu. So that should, well, shit. Let's just, I mean, God damn it, I'm here. I think there's a file called like utils or something. And then you could see it's like probably like default browser. Yeah, open browser. So you can see here under Windows, it's going to do shell execute. On Apple, it's going to do this ugly thing. And then for everything else, well, actually not for Linux, it should do this. But there may be something else that it needs to do for Ubuntu. I don't know. I think that's part of what we can look at tomorrow. And then we can also clean up the code. So so that's exactly the problem. So anyway, tomorrow we'll do some C++. I'm excited. I'm actually legit like excited. Like I'm feeling like a little like oh wow, you know, the world's not all gloom and doom. Maybe a little. I love you guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow.